Hey there, I got something for you. Want a bite? Easy, there you go. Good girl. And one for you. Go ahead, little ones. Plenty to share. That's it, enjoy. Here you go, friends. A little dinner to warm you up. Take your time, it's all yours. Stay safe out here, alright?
They were waiting when I reached the clearing, tails flicking, noses twitching. I offered what I brought, roasted chicken and crisp apple. One by one, they came closer. The kits were shy at first, but hunger and curiosity won them over.